Sudhanshu Trivedi, the BJP has a real problem on its hands ahead of phase one. Your alliance partner, the Janata Dal United's leader, is snappy. He seems to be on a short fuse. He's getting personal. He's calling his opponents names. And you've known Nitish Kumar for long as well. This is not who Nitish Kumar is. This is not who he wants to be. And yet he's losing his shirt rally after rally. Why do you think this is happening? And as his alliance partner, is the BJP perturbed?
Rahul, if you remember, yes, of course, the dignity of the word and the decorum of the electoral politics should remain. But unfortunately, it started around one generation back. You remember, as Manisha Priyamji was mentioning, Bhurabal, it was not when when Lalu Yadav ji came into power.
No, but Nitish Kumar was different. No. That's the whole reason he fixed an image for himself.
I'm coming to that point. What happened, how the thing started. You know, there was a slogan also from Lalu Yadav ji. Ab aa gaya hai lalua. Ab एक कास्ट का नाम लेके कहते थे ये खाएगा हलवा और फिर किसी कास्ट का नाम लेके कहते थे ये खाएगा बलुआ. But people have seen in the 15 years of his rule, ultimately बेचारा गरीब तो बलुआ ही खाता रहा और हलवा मिला तो सिर्फ उनके परिवार को मिला. Finally, after that, the discourse in the entire country has changed. इनको मारो जूते चार तो किसी ने कहा मौत के सौदागर. Even
I don't see the point you're making, Sudhanshu ji. How is this linked to Nitish Kumar losing his shirt, making these kind of uncharacteristic utterances in the battlefield of Bihar? That's my question to you, sir.
I am coming to that point. And not only this, you remember, Lalu Yadav ji has used the word Kal Nemi Rakshas. For whom? For Honorable Prime Minister. Now coming to Nitish Kumar. Yes, of course, Nitish Kumar ji is a very decent, sober person. He never makes any personal comments. But unfortunately, the type of comments which has been made by Tejasvi Yadav. And not only this, you have seen it is happening for the first time in the electoral politics. कि दूसरी पार्टी की रैली में जाके बवाल करो. If you are changing the rule of the game to that extent, you can think of how dangerously you are dealing with the electoral politics. Because it will not be difficult for any political party to plant 25-30 men in the other polls.
So Supriya Shrinath, the direct charge against the Gathbandhan that you've lowered the standard of politics in Bihar by sending your Trojans into JDU rallies where Nitish Kumar is being heckled, which is why he's losing his cool. It's the RJD and the Congress which is to blame for lowering the standards of discourse in the electoral battlefield. Supriya Shrinath.
Thank you very much, Rahul. There are 2 or 3 reasons why the Chief Minister of Bihar and the outgoing Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, sounds flustered and frustrated. The first reason is he obviously sees defeat written all over wherever he's going. The Mahagathbandhan is getting large crowds, great traction. He knows the writing on the wall. He's fighting a Mahagathbandhan. He's fighting anti-incumbency. He knows he's totally exposed. The second reason why he's frustrated and flustered is he's had enough of what the BJP is doing to him behind the scenes. His face is not a part of the campaign. He's not the one who's leading the campaign. It's the Prime Minister. There is a backhand game going on with Chirag Paswan of the LJP and the BJP. And for a Chief Minister, this is too much to take in. Even I agree with you. Nitish Kumar was not someone who would lose his cool. And look at the kind of things he's telling people publicly. And I hate to say this. I think the JDU spokesperson talked about women empowerment. To talk about some daughters born to parents the way he did, is this women empowerment? This is downright disgraceful behavior, getting damn right personal. Families should be left out of political feuds. That's the one thing I would want to say. I would also want to say lowering of discourse. What was the BJP trying to do with the death and a tragic death of an actor? Where were the issues of elections? Who was talking about joblessness and poverty and malnourishment in Bihar? Who was talking about all of this? I would like to ask both the BJP and the JDU. You were busy playing dirty tricks, dirty politics, acting like political vultures on the tragic death of an actor. Till you realized there were no political benefits coming out of it, and you quietly shelved that. So let's not talk about lowering of discourse. It's written all over. There is going to be a vote for change, and Nitish Kumar knows that.